What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the title? It ain't clickbait. John Jones about to be out of here, man. Somebody finally serious. I ended the contest because, like I said, it didn't fill up, man. I advertised and stuff, like I said, it just didn't fill up, man. I tried to give people a chance to win it, but it's about to be death from above. These bees, boy. But they about to be out of here, man. Somebody coming way from Mississippi to grab this thing. Y'all see, I got the trailer out. Finna load it up. I already had it turned around from last night. So, old Jones finna be out here, man. Old Jones about to be out of here. On to the next thing. It was fun while it lasted. Finna load it up, though. Turn y'all back on. All right, man, it's that time. About to take off. This thing finna go to the new home, man. Go ahead and get that thumbnail. Get that thumbnail. Now look, man, I had this car 3 years. I can't believe. Let me wipe y'all off. I can't believe I had this car 3 years, man. Yeah, man, it's gone. 3 years, but it served this time, man. It was one of the first additions to the fleet. So it's time for it to go. So I hope the new owner gonna enjoy it, man, and all of that. So we finna head to the bank so I can handle the business and all of that, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. So I got John Jones unloaded, man. I just took him for a ride. He going to see, I have to tell y'all the backstory. He gonna see if he can find the trailer and stuff right quick. But I gotta give y'all the backstory, so I'm waiting on him to come back. He done had an adventure, man. He had an adventure, so I'm gonna give y'all a story on that. But John Jones about to be gone, man. I took him for a ride. He done seen how good of a car he is. We done rode, made some laps, got on the tram brake, and with the AC pumping. AC blowing snowballs and everything, man. Great guy. A supporter of mine. He look at all my JMalcom 2004 video. Obviously, that's how he found out about the car. I knew when I posted the car on my JMalcom 2004 Facebook page, man, it was gonna get gone because I got 700,000 some people that follow me up there. And it was a great deal. I kept telling people it's a great deal. The 25,000 was a great deal. It's a giveaway. It was a giveaway, but I said people must not have that type of money right now, so I'm dropping down to 17,000. So that's what I did, man. Drop it down to 17,000. Cause like I said, I'm blessed. Man, my family blessed in a blessed position, so it's like we ain't hurt for no money. But I wasn't gonna take no huge loss on the car, which I'm still taking a loss, but that's just part of the game. When these cars, man, you ain't gonna get everything you put in them, man. You just ain't. So I'm happy that a supporter is getting this car, man. A supporter is getting this car and gonna enjoy it. He really excited about it, man. So I'm gonna ask him if he don't mind being on camera. If he don't mind being on camera, I'll show him some love. Y'all see and all of that. But the car is going to Mississippi. He came a long way. Car going to Mississippi, man. So it's leaving the state. And like I said, you're going to have a good time with it and all that. But we just did some shenanigans. I should have had a GoPro, but I didn't, man. But we are right here waiting on to come back. So y'all just stay. All right, y'all. So look, this the new owner of the Camaro, Gabe, man. Great guy. He watch the video and stuff. So he about to be on the way. I'm going to load it up.
JMalcom, Mississippi.
Yeah, going to Mississippi, I told y'all. So we about to load it up. I'm gonna let wifey record, y'all. So I load it up. Gonna be my last time driving. Alright, we checking in. I'm back at the house. Y'all see it nighttime. Well, y'all can't see, man. But in nighttime, we just getting back, man. It's been an eventful day. Man, but it's official. John Jones is gone. He's no longer a part of the fleet, man. He served his time. It was a fun car. I enjoyed it. But it's on to the next, man. He gone to a better place. I'm happy with who bought it. Like I said, a supporter. That's what I wanted. I wanted somebody that was a supporter to get the car, man. Somebody that was truly excited about it and everything, man. Shout out to Gabe. He about to take that car to Mississippi, man. Have some fun with it. Like I said, I definitely keep track of it and everything for y'all. We got each other number and stuff, so. Man, he excited, man. He excited, like I said. He went through a lot to get that car, man. He had a hell of a trip. I'm gonna say that. He really had a hell of a trip, man. A lot of stuff didn't go planned for him the way it should have went planned with getting the trailer and all this stuff, man. But all in all, it all worked out. He got the car. Him and his wife got it, man. They like I said, praying they get it back home safe. So, y'all see it on the road in traffic. It ain't me, man. It's gone, man. Gone. It's headed to Mississippi, man. Left Georgia, headed to Mississippi, man. On 2 states over. Yeah, 2 states. 2 states over, man. So, like I said, I hope he enjoyed and had some fun with it. Like I said, I was glad to see it go. I was glad to see it go. Like I said, I ain't feel no attachment to the car. When I first bought the car, I told people in the beginning, I never have intentions on keeping the car, man. I never had intentions on keeping the car. I never had intentions on keeping the car as long as it was around. It was around 3 years. I looked at when I got the title, it was issued like 3 years. It's been 3 years, man. And I remember when I bought it too. But I had that car 3 years, man. So time go by so fast. Like, it had been 3 years just like that. Didn't even realize it. So, you know, I had my fun with it, but I had got to the point where I stopped driving and all that. I could go out there and crank it up and stuff. And you know, I'm more of an old school type of guy. I always have been like that. I like old cars, man, classics. I mean, I'm talking like early 90s, and below. Them the type of stuff I like. I'm like old school, man. I wanted an old school fleet. But that car was fun. Like I said, I enjoyed it. But he finna enjoy it more. I can see it, man. He love F-bodies. He like F-bodies. He about to enjoy it more, man. I know he gonna go out there and have some fun with it. And make some memories and all of that. And yeah, man, it's out of here. It's out of here, man. I know people probably didn't see that one coming this fast. If you on my Facebook, you already saw it. Cause I posted a picture. I said, y'all already saw the news. But like I said, it's on to the neck. Dolo finna come back. Dolo, y'all didn't even see cause I ain't recorded, but Dolo already gone. It gone to Lawless to get the nitrous installed, back hooked up. The wire gotta be back hooked up basically. And we got to, what else? The exhaust. The exhaust got to get hooked up. So, man, Dolo finna come back. I already got meats working, man. I had meats working before the deal. Y'all just didn't know. I got it already in the works. A new heart coming. The real heart coming. It's on the way, getting done or whatever. So, it about to be on and popping. John Jones gone. So, it about to be on and popping, man. That's all I can say, man. We can keep the ball rolling. Like I said, it's just a vlog. Let y'all know. Mr. Jones is gone. He's gonna have a new name, I'm sure. He probably gonna get a new name and all that, but it's out of here. I think he said he gonna put a cow hood on and stuff. I think he said he already got one, so I'm just curious to see where he gonna carry his vision. You know what I'm saying? I love seeing what people gonna do with the car now. And you know, when you sell something, like, just keep track of it, just see what they gonna do, man. So I just like to see his vision come together and all that, and see him have some fun with it, man. So that's what it is, man. They ain't really. Look at that, boy. They ain't all in the what's name? Animal, boy. I'm just like Oh, what you call that movie? Evan Almighty? No, not Evan Almighty. God, what the one with the animal? Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. But my boy was like he was know it, then all the animals following and stuff, man. It's just like, hey, that's what it is with me, man. They just attract, they just come to me, boy. But anyway, man, I'm tired. It's humid out here in the garage. I had to come out here and close y'all out, let y'all know what's going on, summarize everything. But like I said, that man really wanted that car to go to show. I mean, when you ain't playing, somebody wants something, they coming to get it, man. They coming to get it. The car was a mean deal. When I dropped it down to 17, it was a super deal. It was a super deal. 25 was a deal. You could not build that car. And you know, it's normal internet. You put stuff out there too high, this and that, man. Hey, if it's too high for you, just keep it to yourself. You keep it to yourself. It's just tell somebody you ain't got it without telling them you ain't got it. That's all it is. If it's too high for you, go on to the next. But y'all see, when somebody realize what's in front of them, they're gonna come and get it. That car was up 3 days. I was trying to wait before I put on everything. I put on Marketplace, all that other stuff first. Cause I knew when it hit my JMalcom 2004 Facebook, it was over. It's 700-some thousand people, almost 800,000 people. I knew it was over. And that's where the car got gone from, JMalcom 2004 Facebook. So 3 days after posting. It really was 2 days. What the hell is this flying around? It really was 2 days. And he came and got it on the 3rd day. So it was already solidified, 2 days. So man, you can't play around with stuff all the time, man. But it is what it is. But I'm finna get in the house, man. We back to it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.